These are sweet pink nail polish strips, a set of 32 salon-style wraps designed for an easy at-home manicure. Each strip comes pre-designed, so instead of painting your nails, you simply peel, place, and smooth it onto your nail. The gel-style finish gives them a glossy, polished look without needing liquid polish. I like how quick and simple they are to apply. You can size each strip to your nail, press it down, and file off the excess. There's no drying time, which makes them really convenient if you're in a hurry or don't want the mess of traditional polish. They're also easy to remove when you're ready for a change, and the 32-piece set gives you enough for multiple applications or to mix and match sizes. The sweet pink color adds a soft, clean look that works for everyday wear or casual occasions. If you're looking for a low-effort way to get a neat, polished manicure at home, these nail polish strips are a simple and practical option.